YouTube channel Connect with Steph. This video today is a follow-on from my previous video in regards to how to stop the toilet from running. So I was able to temporarily stop the toilet from running, but unfortunately I did call out the professional. The professional did come out and have a look, and he then told me that unfortunately there is a crack in my toilet and that he's unable to fix the toilet, because if he was going to take the toilet off to fix the running problem, then the toilet would fall apart. So he recommended that I needed to go and get myself a brand new toilet. So that is the plan today. I'm going to take a trip to B&Q. Why don't you come along with me for the ride and see how I get on? I have absolutely no idea what to look for when buying a toilet, so hopefully when I get to B&Q somebody will be able to give me some advice. I've arrived at B&Q. Let's see what we can find. So here I am walking around B&Q trying to vlog in public for the first time and not doing a very good job. As you can see, my fingers keep slipping over the lens and I feel like I'm doing something very, very dodgy, and that at any moment I'm going to get stopped and they're going to say, "Oi, what are you doing?" I looked around a few toilets, opened and shut a few lids. I mean, what exactly are you meant to be looking for when buying a toilet? I eventually went to look for someone who could help. So I've just come back from B&Q. There's a really helpful lady that kind of talked to me about the toilets, what I need to look for, etc. And one of the things that she did say is that I really should do the measurements of the bathroom and then make sure that the measurements are in line with the actual toilet so that it can fit. I just want a standard toilet really, don't want anything fancy, anything smart, just a standard toilet. Unfortunately, B&Q do not do installation. So that does mean I'm now going to need to find, once I've done the measurements, I've kind of decided on the toilet that I want, so as long as it fits then I'll be getting that. But I now need to find a plumber that is going to be able to install the toilet, and also I then need somebody to remove the old existing toilet, or alternatively, if I can't find somebody to remove it, I may just need to take it to the tip. So that's another job to add to the list. Such a bummer. I was really hoping that B&Q did installation. That would have made my life so much easier. Hey, I'm back. It's been a few months since I started this whole video, and I finally found someone to supply and fit my toilet. They were recommended to me by my cousin who had used them previously for works that he'd had done at his house. In the end, I didn't need to go and get my toilet from B&Q because the guy that I spoke to, he was able to supply and fit the toilet, so that was a tremendous help rather than me having to kind of go around and you know, there's always the case that I might have picked the wrong toilet for the wrong fitting. So it was good that the guy that was able to actually supply and fit the toilet. Where possible, when I need work doing around the house, I always would prefer to use somebody that has come highly recommended with other people, just so that you know that at the end of the day that they've done good work, you trust the person that's kind of giving you the recommendations, and there's pretty much a guarantee that the work will be done successfully. So there's a clip here of my bathroom when the toilet has been removed. So as you can see, the work is in progress. I will then also insert another clip with the toilet actually finished and the job is completed. He did an amazing job, was excellent, on time, left everything nice and tidy, was very friendly. So I would, you know, I'm very glad that I took up that recommendation. So YouTube is amazing for a lot of how-to videos, and that's how I was able to do a temporary fix on my toilet when it was leaking. So I was able to go to YouTube, just kind of did searches, watched a load of videos and managed to find one which I could do to stop the water running on my toilet. However, YouTube can only go so far, and then at some point I needed to go out and get a professional, which is what I did. So if you've not seen my first video on kind of doing that temporary fix for the toilet, then please, I will put a description in the link below and you can just click on that, and that kind of gives you a little bit of background as to what started this whole issue in the first place. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. I have 26 amazing, fantastic, and lovely subscribers. So thank you all for taking that time to hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching this and you still are yet to subscribe even, what's stopping you? Go ahead, hit that subscribe button just now.